So I had my chicken already seasoned. I already put some Jamaican seasoning on it already, and this time I'm gonna add some paprika. I'm gonna be adding some black pepper. I'm gonna be adding some garlic powder and some onion powder on my chicken to give it some nice flavor. And that's how it's supposed to look after all the seasoning. And then I'm gonna put it in the fryer while I prepare my Cheetos nachos. Okay, first I was using my blender, but for some reason my blender wasn't working so good with the Cheetos and the nachos, so I have to switch it over. But please use a food chopper. Okay, it works well and it works out really better, and it's much easier. So that's what I'm gonna be using my chopper to grind the spicy cheese. As you can see there, I've been using dumplings to grind it up, and all the way up that I'm gonna be using to baste the chicken. Okay guys, so after frying your chicken should look like this. And then after doing your Cheetos, your spicy Cheetos, after I grind them, it should look like this. And in this container, I'm gonna be pouring my hot sauce in there. I'm gonna be pouring my hot sauce in there so that I could use it to baste my chicken, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Put it in the oven at 360 degrees. This is hot. I'm gonna be using the Red Hot original cayenne pepper. It's hot. I'm gonna dump it in here. There you go, guys. Dump it in there so that I could get it nicely based. I'm gonna put it in there for like 12 to 15 minutes and let it cook. And that's how it should look. I'm going to dump it in the container. I'm not going to use all of it because it's a big bottle, so I just use some, nice, and I'm going to leave some. I'm going to be using a glove. If you enjoy my videos, let me know, guys. I'm going to be using my cooking gloves. Yes, I'm not going to go. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy it in without the gloves. And when you base it, you're going to basically put it on the rack. Okay? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it in the sauce. Make sure you get a lot of sauce on it. Then I'm going to basically put it in here. So you get a lot on it, okay? So it's nicely based. Put it on the rack. You're going to be repeating this step, guys. That's basically what you're going to be doing. Repeating the steps. Okay guys, so this is how your chicken's supposed to look. on the rack. Your spicy Cheetos chicken. Then you're gonna put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes and let it bake. Okay guys, this is the ending product of my spicy Cheetos chicken. That's it. That's how it looks.